Hey guys, Chichi here and welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the year when Sephora hits us with our spring VIB sale. So if you want to see my recommendations on what you should pick up, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Intro.
The spring VIB sale is upon us this week. It starts on April 26th. So we have our dates, we have our percentages, and we need to know what products we're gonna pick up. Now, the biggest change that has happened with this sale is that us Rouge members get 20% off. Finally, Sephora has gotten with the program. I guess they got, you know, a little upset with Ulta being shady boots with their 20% off coupon. So they said, here, take that. I'm going to list all of the dates in the description box so you know when to shop. I really went through the website and I was like, there's some new stuff here. There's cute stuff here that you may not actually be thinking of to get, instead of me just saying, here, have this foundation. You know what I'm saying? So I have my list and yeah, let's just get started. Don't mind me, I'll be looking at my computer because I got to get you all the information. I'm going to start off with skincare because you know mama loves good skincare. You may or may not know that Dermalogica is now a part of the Sephora family. The reason why this is on my list is because they have minis. I am a lover of mini products. I feel like it's a great way to just try some products without dropping all of that coin, because let's face it, things in Sephora are not cheap. There are 3 items that I would personally, go ahead and check out from Dermalogica. The first being the pre-cleansing oil, then the special cleansing gel, and the daily micro exfoliant. I'm all into K-beauty right now. So those are, that's basically the first 3 steps. It retails for $13.50, $12, and $15. So I think that's a relatively good price based upon Sephora. Another product that I'm dying to try is the SUPERGOOP Sunscreen Mist. This is retailing for $13 and again, it's a mini. Ladies and gents, you need to be protecting your skin all year round. But in the summertime, we're hot, we're glistening, we're sweating. So our sunscreen can definitely run off and you need to reapply it. And because this is an aerosol can, I feel like it's a great way to, not mess up your makeup, because you should be setting it. It should be already locked and loaded, but just right across the face so you have that sun protection on your skin. What's the point of doing all of this if you're not protecting your skin? So I think this is a great way to try the SUPERGOOP spray and not break the bank. Sets really aren't on and shapopping during the spring sale, but I managed to come across a couple of them. The first set we have is from Milk Makeup, and this is their KUSH Stash bag set. I think this was a pretty good set to just, dive into a little bit of Milk's products. This retails for $49 and it has a value of $80. I don't know, I kind of wanted to try this out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, take the plunge on it, but it is a cannabis kind of infusion. I don't know how you feel about cannabis in your stuff, but it is something to look into. Another set that I feel like maybe a little bit of interest comes from HERBIVORE, and this is their Balanced and Clarifying Natural Skincare Mini Collection. Whew, that is a lot. But this kit retails for $49 and it has a retail value of $63, so a little bit of savings. Every last product in there I want to try. I totally want to try. I love me a good AHA, BHA. I love a good balancing toner. So these are definitely things that I would love to try. And I do hear good things about that lapis oil. So, I got to preserve all of this. So I'm really curious to see how those products, really stack up. This next kit I've already owned, so this is gonna be a re-up for me. This is from Belif and this is their Best Hydrators on the Go kit. I love Belif's products. If you have not tried it, you are missing out. but it is $22 and it has a $48 value, which, hey, savings on savings. They have nothing but hits with them. I freaking love their products. I have yet to find a product of theirs that I hate, or I'm just like, you know what? She's cute. I actually really need to do reviews on it because I've been using them consistently. Every time I do try something new, I'm just like, I can't wait to go back to Belief. And yeah, their products are just bomb. Aqua bomb. Speaking of Belief, they actually just dropped a new jelly cleanser, which I am totally getting my hands on. It's called the Belief Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser and it retails for $28. I 100% am getting this. I already know this is gonna be bomb. So I can't wait to have that. That's everything that I found with these skincare products. Not too bad, but let's dive into the makeup, shall we? Foundation twinsies. Listen up. If you saw my last video with using the Fenty bronzers, you would have saw that I am using currently Caramel Cutie. That's actually what I have on right now. I did not know she has a miniature size of this. Excuse me, Robin, please explain yourself. So she has a miniature version of Caramel Cutie, and it also comes with a very tiny matchstick of cinnamon. This retails for $24. You get 2 products, but a full-size bronzer is $30, so that is something to take in consideration. It's really easy for my on-the-go girls who just want to bronze up and just pat, 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 and you're out the door. I think that is a wonderful steal. However, my problem with Fenty Beauty and a lot of cosmetic companies is that when it comes to complexion items and they do miniature versions, they don't come out with the entire shade range. So there's only 2 kits for this. Come on, Fenty, come on. Like, if you're going to do it all. You know, so I'm a little perturbed that they did not include the full shade range for the minis. However, they have mine. No tea, no shade. Another Fenty Beauty mini that kind of crept up are the Pro Filter Instant Retouch powders. They have miniature ones and I'm looking at them like, okay. This one is $18 and again, I don't think that they have all of the shades. If you're my foundation twin, okay? They do have 2 of the colors that I personally would use. I use honey all over my face, and if I were baking under my eyes, I would be using cashew. So those 2 colors are available, considering just a little bit of buying the small one. But then again, I'm a consumer. I have this one. I need to finish that before I even think about getting a miniature. So that is something to think about if you've been wanting the Fenty Beauty powders. Moving right along, we have to talk about Tatcha. They have their little silk canvas primer thing. They do have a miniature version. I know I hear a lot of things about that primer. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. The smaller one is $22 in comparison to the full-size product, which is $52. Yeah, I do want to try it, but I'm just looking like, you know. But it is an option for some of us who don't want to drop that coin in. I know you ain't putting that stuff on your face at Sephora. I know I'm not. I'm sorry, but certain things I'm just like, I am not swatching that. Another primer that has been getting a lot of attention is from Milk Makeup, and this is their Hydro Grip Primer. I've been hearing a lot about this primer and I am very intrigued. I do want to see what's up with this, and fortunately for us, they have a miniature of this one too. The mini retails for $15 while the full-size one retails for $30. I'm totally into it. I do want to try it. I'm not gonna sit here in front with y'all. I want to see what's up with this, so that may be in my cart already. Just saying. Now, you know I can't talk about minis without mentioning Mother Pat McGrath. Of course, you guys saw I swatched her lipsticks, and now she has a lip glosses, honey. These are the Mini Lust Gloss Trio sets. They retail for $25, and each one has 3 glosses in it. Normally, when the sale hits Rouge, they buy them up. I swear it's gone. I'm still like putting it in my cart, taking it out, because I know myself and I'm not a gloss girl. And if I get 2, it's $50. But I'm like trying to change my lipstick ways and try to get into gloss, you know? And I'm just like, why not do it with Mother Pat? Moving right along to Stila, and they have this new little miniature set. It's their All Fired Up Glitter and Glow eyeshadow mini set, and it's basically the liquid eyeshadows that everyone was raving about maybe like 2 years ago. They keep busting out these sets, but this one in particular, I feel like it's really going to be popping for spring, summer. It's going to be hot. You don't want to spend that much time on your makeup. It's $25, so that's the cost of just one full size. You get to try out 3, so I'm just like, it might be in the cart only because of the colors. That doesn't happen too often, but when it does, I'm like, ooh. Ooh, okay. Benefit definitely has the brow game on Lizak, and they always have a few sets for the brows, but you know, you gotta do your research. So the brow set that I'm choosing is the Boss Brows Baby Duo, and this one has the Gimme Brows and the Precisely My Brow. Full sizes, hold on, $34. Each one of these products separately is $24, so you're definitely saving a couple of dollars. Definitely check out, you know, Benefit set, because if you're already buying like a pencil or a gel pot, they might have those same things in a set and you get some extra stuff, and sometimes you're paying the same price or like $5 more. So definitely check it out, but also know yourself, because if you're not going to be sitting here doing all that, girl, just buy the pencil. Don't do that. While we're on the subject of brows, Anastasia Beverly Hills also has a set that I think is worth checking out. This is their Power Duo Brow Set. This one retails for $25, and this includes a full-size version of their Brow Wiz, and I believe this is their new, what is it? Dip Brow Gel. It's very comparable to the set from Benefit. So if you're an ABH honey, you might want to give this a look-see, because again, you'll be saving a little bit of money, plus you get to try out that, you know, that new brow gel and see if you like it or not. The next area of the Sephora site that I was all up and through is the sales section. Don't get it twisted, she's looking for a discount, because honey, I like to save the money. And the biggest savings that you're gonna find in the sales section is from Fenty Beauty. Yep, I said it, Fenty Beauty. If you missed out on that holiday 2018 collection and you were like, damn bitch, why? And this is before the coupon code. So if you are Rouge, you can save 20% on that. So there's one item from the sales section for Fenty Beauty that I'm like low-key, high-key, like wanting to get. And that is the Mademoiselle lipsticks. Girl, those are the same ones that you see on the display. It's a $180 value. They have it there for $105. Some of you are probably like, girl, that's still too much. Why is this still a phenomenal buy? Get your water, hydrate yourself, because you're about to die. There are 4 colors that I actually do want. Each one of these colors retail for $18. 18 times 4, let's just round it up, because I'm not trying to do it. $20 times 4 is $80. Instead of me buying the 4 regularly priced lipsticks that I wanted regardless, I can get the whole set of 10 for a little bit over $80. You might want to consider this kit, because if you're already going to buy 4 or more, you might as well just get this kit. Just saying, save you some money so you can put it towards the next Fenty launch. Definitely hit up that sales section because yeah, she got some bangers on there. That's all of my recommendations. They definitely have some full-size products that I would definitely look into as well. You know, Fenty Beauty brought back their body lava so we can be glowing this summer. However, she does have some stiff competition coming from Patrick Ta with his, you know, body oil. I'm thinking about getting those two, doing a little comparison, and then sending them back to where they came from. Only one will stay, okay? If you are interested in the Riviera palette by ABH, it's a great time to pick that up. Also, I think Dominique Cosmetics, you gotta support your fellow YouTubers. I believe she launched some new matte lipsticks, Artist Couture highlighters. I've done a swatch video of his stuff. If you're trying to glow this summer, just check it out. I might just throw some sunscreen on, put on one of his highlighters, and not even pick up the body oil from Fenty and Patrick Ta. I might just go Artist Couture route. I don't know. Do your research. Don't go broke over this sale. Make sure you set a budget so you don't get into trouble. Also, use your Ebates. Ebates will save you money. You better claim your Ebates. If you don't have Ebates, I have a link in the description box. Feel free to sign up. It's no pressure if you do or don't. You want to do it on your own. I do get a little money if you do sign up. But then again, you can make that same money if you refer your homie, your mom, your sister, your brother, your dad. But you might as well save money if you're already buying the stuff. So use whatever, you know, rebate website you choose. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're liking the energy, the vibes that I am putting out. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, of course, because I'll be over there. Let me know in the comments, you know, because I'll be comment creeping what you're picking up. Maybe some things I might have said to you and you're just like, oh girl, good looking out. Let me know in that comment section and I will catch you in the next video. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.